how to make Claude Agent OS 100x better in one click. What if you could build a whole AI team without writing a single line of code? No editors, no coders, no researchers, just you and one tool. And nobody's really talking about how powerful this gets. Sound too good to be true? Stick around because I'm about to show you something wild. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and my whole job is helping you actually learn and use AI tools in your real work, not just watch and forget. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on something I built just for fun, an AI agent operating system running on Claude Code. And the craziest part is what happens when you let these agents work together. I'll show you how that one click changes everything. But first, let me show you what's going on here. So let's start with the basics. What is Claude Code? Claude Code is an agentic coding tool from Anthropic. That's a fancy way of saying it's an AI that reads your project, edits your files, runs commands, and gets things done for you. It works in your terminal, your code editor, a desktop app, and even your browser. You talk to it like a coworker. You say what you want in plain English, and it plans it out, writes the code across lots of files, and checks that it works. No deep coding skills needed. That's the foundation of the whole Agent OS. I want to show you this Agent OS properly. This is something I built out with Claude for fun, just to inspire you and show you what AI can do, because it blows me away what you can build. So look at this first part. What we have over here is an AI group chat. All my agents live inside one group chat, and that's how we orchestrate them working together. So I say, give me a great idea for an SEO app here. Claude chips in first, the rest jump in later, and then Codex adds our best idea to our pipeline, which you can see over here. So we pick an idea and go from idea to build super fast. And here's the cool part. We can view everything we've already built over here. So we go from idea to a real build in minutes, with our agents coming up with the ideas, all saved in one place to come back to later. So let me show you what this looks like in practice. You can tell inside Agent OS to create a single HTML pricing page with 3 cards, a feature comparison, an FAQ section, and join buttons. One prompt, and it laid the whole page out. That used to take a designer and a developer hours. Here, it's just describe it and go. Now let me show you goal mode, because this one is a little bit magic. You set a goal, you walk away, you come back, and while you're gone, an agent called Hermes gets 20 shots at it. And here's the smart bit. A judge actually checks if the work is good or not. So it keeps going until the result passes. You didn't have to babysit it. Inside this, we've got Codex, Gemini, GLM, Grok, and free Claude Code all built in. So I can code with my voice using free Claude Code. I just talk and it builds. Now there's a feature called Fusion, and this is a powerful one. Instead of relying on one single model, you get a team of around 5 AI models all working together. And this is proven on benchmarks. They each go off, come up with different ideas, and then all those ideas get fused into one answer. That's why it's called Fusion. A judge takes the answers from every model and fuses the best parts into a final result. Here's an example. It's called City Fusion, a 3D model of a city we created using Fusion. And the cool thing is you can have 5 cheaper models working together and still get top tier, frontier level answers, because the judge fuses all the best pieces into one. Now let me pause here for a second, because if you're watching this thinking, I want to build stuff like this myself, here's the good news. You don't have to build it from scratch. We've got this whole Agent OS ready for you inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You can grab the full Agent OS zip file in there, ready to install the same system I'm showing you right now. We also run live coaching calls where you can bring your own setup and ask questions about your exact build, like how to wire up goal mode or how to get your agents talking in a group chat. So if this video is making your brain buzz, that's the room where you get the actual tool and the help to run it. I'll tell you exactly where to go at the end. Okay, another real one. You can tell the Agent OS to create a clean HTML business report template for SEO results with traffic charts, keyword wins, recommendations, and clear next steps all in one document. One prompt, and it generated the whole template ready to go. That's the kind of practical, boring but useful task that saves you real hours. And here's another. You can tell the Agent OS to build out a complete 30-day roadmap, and it lays the whole thing out day by day, so you always know your next step instead of guessing. We've built one out right here, and it keeps everything moving in order. Now, this next feature genuinely surprised me. I can plug in a prompt, and it will generate a fused video. And this is a video of me, but it's not the real me. It's an AI avatar version of me, fully edited with B-roll. You've got the script itself, all the research was done. I can say, create a video about the new fusion research, whatever I want, and it creates the video on the spot. Think about that. Imagine you had a whole team, editors, writers, researchers, and someone who grades the content quality. Now, this AI avatar video just generates videos on the spot, quality controlled and checked, and it's actually really good. You can see the avatar in the bottom right, beautiful B-roll behind it, and the script over the top. It kind of feels like a screen share. The quality is honestly amazing. And then, just for fun, we have a music editor too. I really like drum and bass, so I can generate tracks on the go using the Hermes Music Agent. It's one click, I describe the style I want, and boom, it's made right there. And it's not just a toy. When I'm deep in building, this gets me in the zone and I play it in the background while I work, all inside your Agent OS. So how do you get the engine that powers all of this? Because remember, the whole thing runs on Claude Code. Installing it is genuinely simple. If you're on Mac, Linux, or WSL, you open your terminal and run one command. It's curl, then the install link from Claude piped into Bash, one line. If you're on Windows using PowerShell, there's a one-line command using IRM and the install link. And on Windows CMD, there's a version for that too. You only need the one that matches your system. Once it's installed, you go into your project folder by typing CD and your folder name, then you type Claude and hit enter. The first time, it asks you to log in through your browser. You log in and that's it. Then you can ask it your first question, something like, what does this project do? And it will read your files and explain everything back to you. Now, a few pro tips for beginners, because these make a big difference early on. First, be specific. Don't say fix the bug. Say fix the login bug where users see a blank screen after they enter the wrong password. The more detail you give, the better the result. Second, use step-by-step instructions for bigger tasks. Step 1, create the table. Step 2, create the endpoint. Step 3, build the page. Claude follows that beautifully. Third, let Claude explore first before it changes anything. Ask it to analyze your project or explain the folder structure. Once it understands your code, the edits it makes are way smarter. And fourth, save time with shortcuts. Type the / to see all the commands. Use tab to autocomplete. Press the up arrow for your command history, and that's the whole picture. From a group chat of agents tossing ideas around, to goal mode grinding away while you're gone, to fusion blending 5 models into one strong answer, to avatar videos and your own AI music, all running on free Claude Code. So here's what to do next. If you want the full process, the SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 75,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And here's the big one. If you want this exact Agent OS, the whole system I just showed you, you can get it inside the AI Profit Boardroom. The full Agent OS zip file is in there, ready for you to download and install, so you don't have to build any of this from scratch. And when you go to run it, you're going to have questions like how to set up goal mode so the judge checks the work, or how to wire fusion together so those models combine into one clean answer. That's exactly what we walk through inside. You get the tutorials that show you each build, the live coaching calls where you get unstuck on your own setup in real time, the roadmaps that keep you moving in the right order, and the prompts that get these tools doing the heavy lifting. So come grab the Agent OS and join us at AIProfitBoardroom.com.